Welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem faced by developers using Mongoose in their node.js applications. Today's problem revolves around the need to display random products on a page load, while still restricting the fields returned by the database query. It can be quite frustrating when the tried-and-true method of using the .sample function in Mongoose doesn't seem to work as expected. The solution to this problem lies in properly chaining the poor sample function as a method of the model.aggregate function. By utilizing the .match method to filter the documents based on a specific category, and then projecting only the desired fields using the .project method, we can effectively retrieve a random sample of 10 documents that meet our criteria. Remember, the key here is to ensure that .sample is called after both .match and project to achieve the desired outcome. In summary, by following the approach of chaining the sample function with .match and .project within the model.aggregate method, you can successfully retrieve random products while restricting the fields returned in the query. I hope this solution helps you overcome the challenge of displaying randomized content in your application. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more programming tips and don't forget to hit the like button. And as always, feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you may have. See you in the next video.